You guys, it's this time of the month and I am so excited to get into this month's Skylar box. So if you want to see this month's scent and what I think about it, then just keep on watching. So if you don't know what Skylar Scent Club is, Skylar Scent Club is a monthly subscription where you get sent a rollerball of your choice every single month. Now they do have scents of the month and they do have just a regular selection that you can pick and choose from. It doesn't have to be the scent of the month. I do the scent of the month so I can share my thoughts and opinions on the scent of the month, give you what I smell in the scent, give you my thoughts of the description of the scent, and then we go through the description all together. If you get just one, it's about $26.35 every single month. But you can also add to the box too, so you don't only have to get one, you can get multiple if you want. This month's scent is called Sacred Hinoki. And then we also get a little tester in the box this month. I'm excited for that because I've been wanting to smell this one. It's a brand new fragrance from Skylar, so I guess we have two to smell, which is so exciting. But of course, we're going to start with the Sacred Hinoki scent. So the notes on this are pine, hinoki, and amber. Skylar's fragrances are hypoallergenic, safe for sensitive skin, and they're eco-friendly. This fragrance is described as grounding, mysterious, and herbal. Herbal and me, we're not really close. The box on the inside says find inner peace, which is so funny because yesterday we watched Kung Fu Panda 2 and the whole thing in that movie is finding your inner peace, and like, that's actually quite cute. Maybe I do need to find inner peace. The bottle is stunning. Look how pretty that is. That's just so pretty. I smell nothing. I'm scared. Very strong. I'm getting that pine wood, very strong pine wood. I don't know what hinoki is, some kind of plant, so I'm gonna get very earthy vibes. Me and earthy are not friends either, so this is really strange for me and I'm not sure I love it. I am not sure I love it. It's very strong. It's very strong pine. It's giving too much right now. Okay, I'm getting that hinoki now. I'm definitely getting some tree of some kind. It's much better now. It's still not for me. It says that this layers well with Peach Fields and Pink Canyon. I can see it layering well with Peach Fields. I do have that one. Maybe we should layer it to see how I would like it. I definitely can see the notes being mysterious and herbally because that's exactly what I'm getting. I'm getting some mysterious herbal scent. I can't quite pinpoint where it's coming from. The note that I smell the least is the note I wanted to smell the most. I wanted to smell that amber the most, and it's the note that I can't smell at all. I don't love this one. I don't love this one. It reminds me a lot of the Rainforest Mist, another really earthy one. I'm just not a fan of earthy. This is definitely one I have to mix with, because if I don't mix with it, I'm not gonna love it. So the top notes are fir needle, pine, and hinoki. I did not love the top notes. The middle notes are sandalwood, vetiver, and cedar wood. Don't really get too much of that. And then the base notes are hay, amber, and musk. Hay? No. Skylar, I love Skylar. I love me some Skylar. I don't love this one. I want to, but I just don't. I want to be that earthy girl that like wears this and goes into the forest and explores. It's just not me. The grounding woody aroma of Japanese hinoki immediately transports you to a tranquil forest grove. The earthy and slightly sweet pine notes intermingle with the hinoki, evoking a harmonious woody blend that soothes the senses and promotes a connection with nature. You see, like, I would love to promote a connection with nature, but I just can't. I don't love it. I don't want to smell like this. Maybe mixed with Peach Fields. I have Peach Fields in here. That's so good. Peach Fields is so good. I love it so much. No, that smells good. Mixing these two together is so good. My Peach Fields is from Scentbird, so it's a different packaging, but I kind of prefer that because the spray, I love the combo. I hate it. I hate it by itself. I gotta be honest, I need something else in there to counteract those really woody, very, very earthy notes. I need something else. I cannot. Let's move on into the new scent that they just came out with. This one is called Sunkissed Dahlia. It is warm, floral, and romantic. Now we're literally going through my two least favorite scents. We're going through earthy and floral. So I'm scared here. Floral and me, we get along. We get along, but like it's not like I love them, you know, like they're my bestie. We get along. In certain perfumes and certain scent styles, we get along, but like it needs to be a specific kind. Ooh, there's an apple note. Dahlia, apple, and amber. That smells nice. Is it my style? I don't know. If I'm gonna wear floral, it's definitely gonna be something like this. This floral is so nice. It's sweet, kind of fruity sweet, not like a gourmand sweet. It's a fruity sweet because of that apple, and that amber also adds to that sweetness, kind of grounding it. I need to see a description of all of the notes in here because I'm sure there's some vanilla or something in there. I would definitely be interested in trying the full size. The top notes are pink currant, mamey sapote, and apple. I'm definitely getting that mamey in there, and the apple. And then the middle notes are dahlia, jasmine blossom, and rose petals. So the middle notes are all of the floral notes. Right there, right in the middle. I think that's where they need to be for me though. And then the base notes are vanilla custard, sandalwood, and amber. I told you there was some vanilla in there. I know my vanilla and I can smell it. This is delicious. I definitely want to see if I can get like the rollerball or whatever of this because it smells so good. Sunkissed Dahlia is a romantic, warm floral scent with subtle fruity undertones. Opulent dahlia and crisp apple create a sweet, juicy profile, beautifully balanced with notes of warm and comforting amber. As you wear the scent, you can feel the sun's golden radiance shine over you. I would like to try the rollerball, and then if I like it, I want to try the full size. Hey, it's me from the future. I wasn't able to get around to filming my Skylar Scent Club for the month of December, so I figured we would smash the two videos together and talk about this December scent. This is Caramel Alps Almond Creamy Caramel Cacao Blanc. I love the box. This is stunning. This is beautiful. I love it so much. The box inside says reach new heights. I also have used this one, so I've already smelled it and dabbled, so I have more experience. It smells so good. So upon first sniff, like wet, I can smell some like fruitiness happening, some nuttiness happening. It's definitely that almond mixing with that creamy caramel and that middle note, which caramel and fragrance can be hit or miss because it can be a little stinky. I think it's done very well here because it mixes very well with that white chocolate note that's in this perfume, which I've never had in another perfume, so I don't really know what else to base it off of, but it smells chocolatey, so I'm gonna give it that. To me, this is literally a winter day in the mountains. You're in a cabin in the mountains and the sun is like coming through the trees, and it's like a light sun, but it's not burning you. It's like a winter sun, but it's very nice and goldeny, and it's shining into your room, and you're wearing this and you're reading a book and you're on a couch with a blanket and it's very cozy. That's the scent. That's what this scent reminds me of. You're in a cabin with mountain views like this and you're wearing this. That's what it smells like to me. And then like, you just want to go and like play in the snow and like enjoy your like winter ski lodge vacation. It smells like a winter ski lodge vacation. That's what it smells like. It smells very good. I very much love it. And sometimes I find myself just like wanting to wear this to bed because it's so cozy and warm, and just I want to wear it to bed because like it's so comforting. So the top notes are almond, lavender, marshmallow, mirabelle plum. I knew I smelled some fruitiness in there. I can definitely smell that upon first sniff. The middle notes are cacao blanc, creamy caramel, and orris, and I definitely get that as well in the middle notes. That creamy caramel definitely starts to mix with that chocolate, and you start to smell it, and it just smells so good. It smells so good. And then the base notes are vanilla milk, skin musk, and sandalwood. And I feel like that's what makes this scent cozy. That vanilla is definitely up my alley, and that skin musk is what makes it just mix very well with your body chemistry, because skin's musk is like what your skin smells like. And sandalwood mixed with these kind of completes all of that right? Because like that's like your finishing note, and it's a very light sandalwood. I really like this one. This one is a win. It's definitely a winter scent, and I can smell that right when I smell it. It smells winter, and I really like that. So I really enjoyed this scent, and I'm glad I got to show it on camera and like talk about it really quick, because I was worried I wouldn't have a chance to, and I did, and I love it. It's definitely rich and cozy. I love it. It's so good. Definitely a favorite of mine. So what did I think of this month's scent? I am not a fan. I am not a fan. I don't even really like it mixed, because I can still smell it in there, and I'm like, I smell it and I don't like it. Like, I'm getting the peach fields with this now because it's drying down. Peach isn't as strong as this. You're gonna like get those notes in there, and you're gonna be like, ugh. If you're an earthy person, you like the way earthy smells, I feel like this would be nice, because it's not that I hate it. I actually just, I feel like I put maybe too much of it. Maybe like a dot would be what I'm good with from this, and then mixing it with peach fields would be my ideal way of getting wear out of this. But I'm not sure. By itself, it's a little strong. It's a little earthy. It's a little pine woody. It's not for me. It's not for me, and I'm okay with that. And the Sunkissed Dahlia is definitely one I want to try out so bad. I want to get like a spray version of it though, because I feel like the roller balls, you can't smell them as much as a spray version. So if you're looking into Skylar and you don't like the roller balls, Scentbird does have the little spray nozzles of them, so you can try them out there as well. That is it from me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little scent video. I love discovering scents. I love finding new scents that I love and enjoy. So if you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I do have a link to Skylar in my description for you. It is a you get $10, I get $10 link. So it is not affiliated though. It is just the referral link that they have on their website, just to let you know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! There, now only 3 videos behind. And I still have to edit and upload all of them. I need like a week off of work to just finish. Immediately transport you to a tranquil. We're gonna open up this box. Which me and Earthy are not friends either, but me and Earthy are not friends, and I'm not quite making sure we're Scentbird. You need to rethink this. Holy shit, bro. And smells delicious. I am a fan. I would like to try the full size, but the full size is probably expensive, so whatever. Yeah, get it. It's very skin-like. And the box inside says, reach new heights. That is it for me today, you guys. That is it.